Cart is an Indian marketer of high-quality do-it-yourself audio project components, loudspeaker building materials and hobby audio kits. DIY Audio Cart has provided electronic kits, loudspeaker building accessories, amplifier building materials to the DIY audio industry since 2010. We are pleased to announce DIY Audio Cart is WEET Technology Company Limited authorized distributor in India market for full range of WEET technology products. Thank you. WME Premium metallized polypropylene film capacitor for music audio application. Very low dielectric absorption factor, super low dissipation factor. Rated voltage 50 volts, 100 volts, 250 volts, 400 volts, 630 volts, DC. Typical applications include general DC applications, wave filtering, bypass, coupling and decoupling, high-end crossover. Well, after plenty of burn-in time that they need to open up, they deliver a wide and open soundstage. Nice and neutral, the WME is very compact with an attractive white tape wrap. Performance and character are quite good, but subjectively it appears to make further gains in transients through the crossover range where the capacitor has its greatest influence on the sound.